A very good morning to all of you. Welcome to ANB Exam Forum. So in this PYQ series, we have come up with the new topic in computer awareness. And in today's session, we are going to see 20 questions on MS Office. And in MS Office, today we will focus only on MS Word. Okay. And one more thing, that all the questions which we are presenting in this session are basically from the RRB exam. Okay, since in the upcoming days you have your RRB exam, so that's why we have included only RRB. Okay, so without wasting any time, let's begin the session. So as usual, the important subtopic that you should cover before going to the exam: features of MS Word, PowerPoint and Excel you should know. Okay, the basic features is the level 1, the advanced feature is a level 2. Okay, so first you should only focus on the basic features. We have seen a lot of basic question in these particular applications. Okay, and the second and foremost thing is the shortcut keys. Okay, so they can ask you the shortcut key for any operation which you do in any of these application. Okay, so these two important subtopic you should consider. Okay, and in today's session we are only going to see previous year question. We are not going to the theory portion, right? So without wasting any time, let's begin the first question. So the first question is on your screen, and the question says MS Word is an example of what? Okay, a very simple one. Yes, MS Word, as you know, it is a example of application software. So in the previous chapter we have seen there are two types of software. First one are application software, and the second one are system software. And we have seen operating system is an example of system software, whereas application software, which can be anything which you do in your computer. Okay, for example, if you are presenting some PPT, then you need an application. Okay, for example, if I am presenting this on Microsoft PowerPoint, so that is basically an application software. Okay, similarly MS Word is an example of application software, and it comes under suite called MS Office. Okay, MS Office is a suite and it has various application in it. Okay, it is the suite, SUITE. Suite is the collections of the various application software which do different function. They are primarily used for different applications. Okay, so MS Word is basically a word processor. Okay, it is basically a word processor. Okay, a very simple one. Let's see the next question. Let's see who can give the answer. In MS Word, what is the maximum font size that you can apply to any character? Okay, font size is what? So for example, if you see this character size, okay, this is a font size. Okay, font is what you are printing or what you are looking in the screen. These are fonts. Okay, fonts has certain properties or attributes, like what is the size, okay, what is the characteristic, or what are the colors, okay, like what font you have used. Like I have used Arial one. There are many fonts. Okay, and the question says what is the maximum size that you can apply. Okay, remember student, by default you have, I think, 8 or 10. Okay, but maximum font size that you can apply is 1638. Okay, this is the maximum font size that you can apply. You can check it in your application. Okay, so option D, student, remember 1638 is the maximum size that you can apply in MS Word for the font size. Okay, let's see the next question. By clicking on text 3 times using mouse in MS Word, what action is performed? These are the 4 options. It zoom out the document, it zoom in the document, select a line or paragraph of a text, only used for clicking. And remember student, if you do 3 times clicking, it will select a line or the paragraph. Okay, if you say if I just click 3 times on this particular word, it will be selected whole line or paragraph based on the context. Okay, so option C is the correct answer. Okay, let's see the next question. In MS 2016, what happens when we press keyboard shortcut Control E? Okay, a very simple one. Student, the basic shortcut you should know. If you need to cut the selected text, then it is Control plus X. If you want to make it bold, Control plus B. If you want to make center line, then Control plus E. Okay, and a prompt when to open a new line, then Control N. Okay, so option C is the correct answer for this question. Okay, so if you do Control E, it will be center line. Okay, if you press Control J, it will be justified. Okay, justified means it will be on the same line. Okay, and if you do Control R, right align, Control L, left align. These are very basic shortcut key that you should know. Okay, coming to the next question, a very simple one. What is the docs file created from? Okay, this docx. Okay, previously it was doc. After that, X was included after I think 2013, I guess, or 2010. Okay, so basically docs file is basically generated by word processor, and that word processor commonly is generated by MS Word. Okay, like if you go to the Linux, it will generate other file. Okay, other extension basically. So option C is the right answer. Coming to the next question, which key combination is used in MS Word to undo the redone work? Okay, these are basically question from the shortcut keys. So shortcut keys for redoing the work is basically Control Z, student. Remember, Control Z is the right answer for this question. What about Control V, Control Y, Control X? Control X is for cutting, Control V is for the pasting what you have copied, and Control Z is for undo, right? And Control Y is for redo. So the correct answer for this question is option B. Okay, undo. Don't confuse with the word. He is saying undo the redone work. So you should not go with option C. If you are undoing the work, basically you are pressing Control plus Z. Okay, Control plus Z is undo. Okay, coming to the next question. When working in the text document of MS Word, clicking the mouse dash by default select the entire paragraph. Just a few questions back we have seen, if you press 3 times mouse, if you are clicking 3 times mouse, then whole line or the paragraph will be selected. So option B should be the right answer. Okay, so those who have given option B, well and good, they are very well done. Okay, text can be erased in MS Word using what? Okay, so you have text. If you want to delete the text, then obviously you need to press the delete key. Okay, delete P. And remember, control key is always used in combination with another character like Control X, Control Y. Okay, escape key is used to just cancel the operation basically. Okay, so for this question, if you are erasing something, it can be with delete key and the backspace key. Okay, backspace key. Okay, backspace, it is denoted by like this. Okay, so option B is the right answer. A very again simple question that we have seen 2 questions back. What is the shortcut key for the redo operation? And we know for redoing operation it is Control Y. Control Z is for undo and Control Y is for redo. Okay, so option B is the right answer. Quickly moving to the next question. Which of the following MS Word feature crosses text by drawing a line through it? Okay, sometime in the document you need to cut the word, like I want to cut this drawing a word, then with help of strike through you can achieve this. Okay, strike through is basically a feature where you can draw a or crosses a text out of this. Okay, so strike through is that feature, and answer for this question is strike through. Okay, let's see the next question. So Microsoft Word file extension, a very simple one, and we know it is DOCX. Okay, not DCOX or DOCD, MWD. It is DOC. DOC stand for document, X stand for the Microsoft Word file. Okay, so option B is the right answer. In MS Word 2016 AA feature. Okay, so if you go to the home tab, you will find this AA button there. Okay, so what does this AA represent? Okay, and as this button itself says that this is capital and this is small, so it will basically change the case. What is case? There are two cases basically. Uppercase means capital letter. Okay, this is computer science terminology. Capital letters are known as uppercase, whereas small letter are known as lowercase. Okay, small letter are known as lowercase, small letters. Okay, so for this question, option D is the right answer. Let's see the next question. Again, the similar question. What shortcut key is used for undoing operation? And we have seen many times it is Control plus Z. Okay, not Alt plus Z. Remember, not Alt plus Z. It is Control plus Z. So option C is the right answer for this question. Let's see who can give the next answer. Which of the following is not a valid option in paragraph setting in MS Word? Okay, so paragraph setting you can do in MS Word. Indentation, as you know, it is either you have given proper indentations, proper space before the paragraph, that is a paragraph setting. Pagination, how numbering you are giving, that is basically a pagination. And spacing, how much space do you want? Do you want highly condensed or extra space? That you can set with paragraph. Whereas effects is not a paragraph setting. Okay, effects you can do in formatting setting, not in the paragraph setting. Okay, so option D is the right answer. Let's see the next question. What is a shortcut key for Alt plus Enter used for? Okay, it is not from MS Word basically. It is general shortcut key they are asking. So Alt plus Enter, remember student, if you want to see the property of selected item, then you need to press Alt plus Enter. This is a shortcut key. Okay, for example, if you have certain file and if you select that file and press Alt Enter, it will show the property windows. Okay, so option B for this particular question is the right answer. This is out of MS Office question. Okay, but it is related. Okay, you can see the property of any doc file basically. Okay, again a shortcut key but not related to MS Office. Alt plus tab is a shortcut of what? Okay, and like if you are opening multiple application, okay, then you can switch from one application to another using the key Alt plus tab. So if you want to switch between the open program means open applications. Like if you have opened Microsoft Word and concurrently you are working in MS Excel, using Alt plus tab you can switch over that. Okay, it is a very common shortcut key. So those who have given option D, they are right. They are very much computer savvy. Coming to the second last question of this particular topic, which of the following is not component of Microsoft Office 2019 package? Okay, and there are certain application, basic application we know that Word, PowerPoint, Excel, but this is out of that. Okay, Outlook, OneNote, Excel, these are part of Microsoft Office, whereas Keynote is one of the feature of MacBook, that is MacBook. Okay, it is basically an Apple brand, so Keynote is in the MacBook application. Okay, coming to the next question, which of the following is a not type of page margin? Okay, So what is basically a page margin? So if you have work on MS Word, so you will have certain page, and like this is your content where you are writing. Okay, so this is the content where you are writing, and you have seen the spaces which are left behind on the left side, right side, top side and bottom side. Okay, so which type of page margin is not available in the MS Word? So we have seen left is this much margin, right is this margin, this is bottom, this is top, and we have not seen any center margin. Okay, so center margin is not a page margin basically. Okay, so option A is the right answer. Okay, so we have seen 20 questions from MS Word, and thank you for watching. And if you have not subscribed to our channel, you can subscribe it. And if you have anything to say in your you want then you can write in the comment box. Okay, so thank you for watching, and have a nice day.